In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Devotional Bible app not working. If you're experiencing any challenge with this app, maybe the app is not opening, it is too slow, or some features are not working, or maybe it crashes, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, first you need to access Devotional Bible app info page. For that, just go to settings, and from settings, go to apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone, and then just search your app by name and hit is. If you tap on it, you can see further details about this app. First, go to force stop and OK. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and clear cache and OK. And again, clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone. And now if you go back to your phone and open your Devotional Bible app, it should be working without any issue. However, should you still experience any challenge at this point, then you want to check and see that you have the latest version of this app. If not, update it to the latest version. To do that, go to Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. But if you still have your app crashing, then most likely your Devotional Bible app has bugs, and to fix that you'll need to uninstall the app and install it afresh to fix any bugs or to remove bugs that might be associated with your Bible app. However, if you still experience any challenge, then you want to check and see that you're not using any VPN app, because if you have one that is running, this might be the reason your app is malfunctioning. You need to turn it off or uninstall it before you can use your Bible without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.